Hello everyone, welcome to Aesthetic Food Tech. So in this video, I am going to discuss about amino acids. Amino acids are units of protein linked together by peptide bond. It is called as the backbone of protein, and also there are about 20 amino acids in human body, and they are glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, proline, phenylalanine, tryptophan, tyrosine, serine, threonine, histidine, lysine, arginine, methionine, cysteine, asparagine, glutamine, aspartate, and glutamate. So, let us discuss about the structure of amino acid. Amino acid is composed of amino group, carboxyl group or COOH group, variable group or R group, and a hydrogen. These groups are attached to an alpha carbon. Please observe the following figure to understand the basic structure of amino acid. The variable group R group or side chain present in the amino acid determines the identity of an amino acid. For example, for alanine, the R group is CH3, and also for serine, the R group is CH2OH. For understanding it clearly, please observe the following figures. Now, let us discuss about the important features of amino acids. Amino acids are colorless crystalline solids which are water soluble and highly melting. They act as salt or they behave as salt besides being simple amines or carboxylic acid. Amino acids behaves like salt due to the presence of amino group and carboxyl group. Amino acids may be tasteless, for example, tyrosine, and may be sweet in taste, for example, alanine and glycine, and also it may be bitter in taste, for example, arginine. The solubility of amino acid is as follows. It is readily soluble in water, slightly soluble in alcohol, and insoluble in ether. All amino acids except glycine are optically active. Amino acids act as weak acids and weak base. This is due to the presence of amino group and COOH or carboxyl group. Amino acids are also called as amphoteric compounds.